Om Swastiastu, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Shalom dan Budaya. Hi guys, in this video, we will explain about set in mathematics. So before I explain about this topic, I will introduce myself. My name, Gusti Devita Putri, my student number 2013011079. I fall for a mathematics education class. Okay, let's get started. In this topic, we will discuss about definition of set, type of set, symbol, and the last operation on set. And the first definition of set. Set in mathematics and logic is any collection of objects or elements, which may be mathematical, number, and function, or not. A set is commonly represented as a list of all its members enclosed in brackets. The intuitive idea of a set is probably even older than that of number. What are the elements of set? Let us take an example. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Such a set is usually represented by capital letter. Thus, A is the set, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the elements of the set or member of the set. The elements that are written in the set can be in any order but cannot be repeated. All the set elements are represented in small letter in case of alphabets. Also, we can write it as 1 element A, 2 element A, and the other. The cardinal number of the set is 5. Some commonly used sets are as follows. N is set of all natural number. Z is set of all integer. Q is set of all rational number. R is set of all real number, and the last Z positive is set of all positive integer. Order of set. The order of a set defines the number of elements a set is having. It describes the size of a set. The order of set is also known as the cardinality. The size of set, whether it is a finite set or an infinite set. Set to be set is finite order or infinite order, respectively. Representation of set. The sets are represented in curly braces like this symbol. For example, set 2, 3, 4 or set A, B, C, D or set bat, ball, wickets in the curly brackets like this. The elements in the set are depicted in either the statement form, roster form, or set builder form. Next, set builder form. The general form is set A is X is property. Example, write the following sets in a set builder form. Set A is 2, 4, 6, 8. Solution, 2 is 2 times 1. 4 is 2 times 2. 6 is 2 times 3. And the last 8 is 2 times 4. So the set builder form is A is X equal to times N. If N the element of natural number. N between 1 and 4. Also, Venn diagram are the simple and best way for visualizing representation of set. Okay, the second types of set. There have several types of sets in math. They are empty set, finite and infinite set, proper set, equal sets, and the other. Let us go through the classification of set here. Empty or null set. A set that does not contain any element is called an empty set or a null set. An empty set is denoted using the symbol like this. It is read as P. Example, set X is null set like this. Singleton set. A set that has only one element is called a singleton set, or also called a unit set. For example, set A is K is an integer between 3 and 5, which is A is set 4 like this. Finite set. As the name implies, a set with a finite or countable number of elements is called a finite set. For example, set B is K is a prime number less than 20, which is set B is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Infinite set. A set with a finite number of elements is called an infinite set. For example, set C is multiples of 3. Equivalent set. Two sets are said to equivalent set when they have the same number of elements, though the elements are different. For example, set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B, A, B, C, D. Here set A and set B are equivalent set signs, and A equal NB. Equal set. If the set have the same element in them, then they are called equal sets. For example, set A is 1, 2, 3, and set B is 1, 2, 3. Here set A and set B are equal set. This can be represented as A equal B. Unequal set. If the set have at least one element that is different, then they are unequal sets. For example, set A is 1, 2, 3, and set B 2, 3, 4. Here, set A and set B are unequal sets. This can be represented as A equal B like this. Disjoint set. Two sets are disjoint sets if there are no common element in both sets. For example, set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B 5, 6, 7, 8 are disjoint because there is no common element between them. Subset. A set A is said to be a subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B, denoted as A subset B like this. In general, a subset is a part of another set. For example, set A is 1, 2, 3. Set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A subset B since all the elements in set A are present in set B. Superset. Set I is said to be the superset of B if all the elements of set B are the element of set A. It is represented as A superset B like this. For example, if set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B 1, 3, 4, then set A is the superset of B. Universal set. A universal set is the collection of all the elements in regard to a particular subject. The universal set is denoted by the letter like this. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3 and set B 2, 3, 4, 5, then universal set here will be universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Third, set symbols. Set symbols are used to define the element of a given set. The following table shows some of these symbols and their meaning. Okay, symbol 1. The symbol is meaning universal set. And the 2, the symbol is meaning cardinal number of set X. And the 3, the symbol is meaning B is an element of set A. The symbol is meaning is A is not an element of set B. And the next, the symbol is denoted a set. Okay, and the next, the symbol is null all empty set. And then the symbol is set union set B. Next, the symbol is set A intersection set B. And the next, the symbol is meaning is set A is a subset of set B. And the last, the symbol is meaning set B is the superset of set A. Set formulas. Set 5. Their application in the field of algebra, statistics, or probability. There are some important set formulas are listed below. Okay, for any two overlapping set A and B, this is the formula. And then for any two sets A and B that are disjoint, this formula. Okay, and the last operation on set. In set theory, the operation of the set are carried when two or more sets combine to form a single set. Under some of the given condition, the basic operations on set are union of set. If set A and set B are two sets, then A union B is the set that contains all elements of set A and set B. It is denoted as like this. A union B. For example, set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B 4, 5, 6. Then A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Intersection of set. If set A and set B are two sets, then A intersection B is the set that contains only the common element between set A and set B. It is denoted as like this. A intersection B. For example, the set 1, 2 intersection set 2, 4 is the set 2 like this. Okay, next difference of set. If set A and set B are two sets, then set A different set B is a set which has element of A but not element of B. It is denoted as A different B. For example, set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is 2, 3, 4. The A different B is 1. Okay, complement of set. The complement of any set, say P, is the set of all elements in the universal set that are not in set P. It is denoted by P accent like this. Properties of complement set. And 1, P union P accent is universal set. And the 2, P intersection P accent is empty or null set. The three law of double complement is P. Laws of empty or null set and universal set is null set accent is universal set and universal set accent is null set. Okay, so many videos in this time. I hope you enjoy in this video and I hope it can be useful for all of you. Thank you. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom Namo Buddhaya. Bye bye. See you next time.